Good morning, class 9th student. I am your science teacher, Juhu Srivastava. Hope you all are healthy and safe and taking care of yourself. First of all, I want to congratulate. Now you are in senior class, and in this class you have to be more serious because class 9 is the base class. Whatever you will study in this class, you in elaborated form you will learn these topics in 11 and 12 classes. Okay, I have given you so many assignments related to chemistry chapter first, and I hope you are doing your self study and doing your assignment very careful. I have not given you any lecture on this chapter, that is your chemistry first chapter, that is matter in our surrounding. Okay, time to time I will send my videos on the various topic of this chapter. Today we will discuss our topic, that is matter. What is matter? Many scientists from ancient time, period of time, many scientists and from India, Skand Muni have told that matter are made from 5 different tattvas. That is, I think Agni, that is air, water, earth, soil. But scientifically we do not follow that. But whatever he has said, that is very interesting. That is, the matters are made from particles, and particles, finest particles of matter is, that is परमाणु. क्योंकि उन्होंने बताया था कि हमारे परमाणु वर्ड जो कि particles, that is अणु, and अणु are made from these particles, finest particles, and that was that is the unit part of any matter. Okay, in the regular class we will discuss much on that, and we will discuss on different scientists, but in video we cannot discuss in a very elaborated form. So we will go through what is matter. Okay, I have written some definition related to this topic. See, matter, anything that has mass and occupy space and can be felt by one or more sense organ is called matter. Matter has masses, okay, and it can occupy space, and we can also feel that. If you see, like if I am taking example of air. Air has mass. We can weigh it. Take a balloon. Like if you want to do some experiment, then take a balloon and weigh it. You will get very negligible weight. You will get some weight, and it also occupies space. But we are unable to see it. But it is matter, no. So, but how we didn't see, but we can feel it by our sense organ, like by skin. When air blow, we can feel it. No. So matter, and what is matter? Now next topic is physical nature of matter. Matter, physical nature. In this chapter we will discuss only on physical nature of matter. Okay. Further we will discuss on its constitution, on chemical nature, on different type of matter or its material. But in this chapter we will learn only on physical nature of matter. Physical nature of matter, and how matter are made, and how small matter particles are. As you know, as many scientists experiment by not only their observation, by experiment fact we have that matter are made from finest particles. Okay, these particles are very small, and you cannot see it by your naked eyes. You can see it by advanced microscopes. Okay, and how small it is. If I will say that one water, we will take one drop of water, the particles of matter remain in that 10 to the power 21 particles. You can assume that it's very, very small part. Okay. Now further we will discuss which kind of property, or you may say characteristic, these particles have. Okay. So first outline that, and then further we will discuss on that. Characteristics of matter. Particles of matter have space between them. Okay, one point, one character. Another one is are continuous in motion. These particles are continuous in motion. Third point, that attract each other. Fourth point, it has property to change, to diffuse. Okay, four important properties we will go through that. Okay, first one is particles of matter have space between them. That means all whatever take any example of matter like a chair, table, that all are made from fine particles, and what these and that like chair, if I am taking, it has millions or billions of particles, and these particles have space between them. Okay, and these particles, another property, they have attraction towards each other. They attract each other. Okay, another one was know anything, as we know that in this universe nothing is static. Similarly, particles are not in static position, either it is solid, liquid or gas. Further we will discuss on that. They remain in some motion. They have continuous motion, either it vibrates or it moves, but it has some motion. Okay, another property is that it tends to diffuse. It can diffuse in itself or in other material. Particles have property to diffuse. On diffusion we will discuss which and how particle diffuse. Okay, now we are